Hey there, I am going to show you how I use Canva to make BusyBox D content. I have a customer who asked me to make them a do not disturb sign. So I'm going to show you how I use Canva to make these real quick. So here we are in Canva. If you don't know Canva, it's a free tool for designing. And what we're going to do is come up here and hit create. And we're going to create a new design. The BusyBox D is 1280 by 480 in pixels. So we hit create design, and now we've got a full design sheet here that we can use for the BBD. We call it the BBD around here. I'm going to start by making the background black because white backgrounds are just huge power hogs. I'm going to type in a rectangle here, boom. Now I'm going to stretch that out all the way to this corner and go a little beyond because why not? I'm going to come up here and make this background black. I'm going to click on text by clicking that heading button. I want to use impact for this sign and I want the font to be much bigger. Now I can actually just grab it here in Canva and make it big. I want to leave a little bit of border around here because the cover is there, like this size, somewhere around here. And instead of white, I'm going to give him a nice red. What I want to do for him is make it blink. And to do that is actually super easy in Canva as well. So I'm going to add a page here. Actually, I'm going to duplicate it and delete that. So now what I have is a do not disturb page and a blank page. And then what I can do here is click on duration and I will make it blink for about 1 second. And then I can also apply that to both pages. So now when I play this, it will blink. It'll run for a second, then turn off for a second. I don't like blinks that go fast. Do not disturb, do not disturb. I like do not disturb off. And there's a lot of science that says that sort of 1 or 2 second pace is better at grabbing people's attention. And that's it. We've got our GIF done. I'm going to export it here. So I'm going to hit share. I'm going to download. It says PNG. I don't want that. I want a GIF. And then I hit download and it will make it for me. And I'm going to send this off to the customer. I hope that's helpful. Have a good one.